New hair. This is Gabor in SS Sandy Blonde, and the style is All Too Well. Now I'm shaking her because she's just right out of the box, and we're gonna try her on. So first thing I like to do is look inside the cap, and inside this one, you can see there's kind of a defined part area, or a parting area, so you can part kind of within this margin. And I like to line it up with my wig cap. And then on the back, you can see there's adjustable tabs right here. The cap is super breathable. You can see through all this wefting. It's stretchy and it really stays on nice and firm. You don't have to worry about it blowing off. So I'm giving it a big shake because it does have some flyaway hairs or strays when you first get them out of the box. So what I like to do is put my forehead in the forehead area, and you can tell because the tags go on the back. Put your forehead in and then pull her down in the back. There are ear tabs on the side, and you can feel them. They're kind of wired, and you kind of put those to your head. Now, when you look up, you're gonna see that this is not 4 fingers. This is not where my hairline should be. And you can tell it doesn't really look realistic because it doesn't fit my head like this. So what I do next is just very carefully and gently pull her up to where my hairline is, or where I'd like my hairline to be. And she comes with a bit of a zigzag part. So I like to use water, and I just use one of my empty styling bottles of Smooth. I use Smooth on my long wigs to detangle them. So I've used this one all up and filled it with water and labeled it. Now I'm just putting some water in here to help readjust the part. You can tell she's just really pretty. And we're gonna comb through the part and re-part her where we want her. And kind of using that margin area inside the wig cap. So you can see there. Really natural looking. I want to show you the back. So you can see how she looks on the nape of my neck. She comes down a little bit. Really pretty, easy. This is really pretty too, just kind of, sporty. I always like to tuck them behind my ear. It's kind of my thing. So this is how I do it. And then this part right here, I just kind of let it go. Hope you enjoy it. She's a great one. I love the shine. And remember that pollution will take down the shine, or if you're impatient and you want it off right now, use dry shampoo and that'll dull the shine. I like the shine for as long as it'll last because it's a sign of youth and vitality, and I get a lot of compliments on my shiny hair. People want to know what products I use. Hope that's helpful. And again, this is Gabor, All Too Well, in SS Sandy Blonde. All right, have a great day.